Hi viewers, so in this video we are visiting at Brigade Panorama residential project located on Mysore Main Road in Bangalore. So we are at the project location and here you can see the main connecting road. And that's the grand entrance of Brigade Panorama. And here you can take the front elevation view of Project Towers. It's a gated community society, thoughtfully planned. And here you can take the view of wide internal roads. And as you can see here, a special focus has been laid upon greenery. And now we are showing you some outdoor amenities. This project is ready to move. And these are the indoor amenities like multi-purpose hall, tennis court. So these are the facilities provided inside the clubhouse. Now this is the community hall. And this is the gymnasium. And further we have the table tennis court. And here you can take the view of grocery shop. So friends, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.